Hi everyone, welcome to this video on understanding tenses. Tenses are essential in English because they help us indicate the time of an action. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of past, present, and future tenses and how to use them correctly. So what are tenses? Tenses are verb forms that indicate the timing of an action or state. There are three main types of tenses: past, present, and future. Let's dive into each of these. First, we have the past tense. It's used to describe actions that happen at a specific time in the past. For example, she walked to the store. They watched a movie last night. These sentences tell us about actions that were completed in the past. Next, let's look at the present tense. It's used to describe actions that are currently happening or general truths. For example, he reads every morning. The sun rises in the east. These sentences describe ongoing actions or facts that are always true. Lastly, we have the future tense. It's used to describe actions that will happen at a later time. For example, she will travel to France next year. They're going to start a new project. These sentences talk about actions that are planned or expected to happen in the future. Now, let's talk about using tenses correctly. Firstly, make sure the tense matches the time frame of the action. Secondly, be consistent with your tense usage in a sentence or paragraph. For example, incorrect: she is eating dinner and watch TV. Correct: she is eating dinner and watching TV. Consistency is key to clear and understandable sentences. Let's practice with a few sentences. Choose the correct verb form. 1. Yesterday, he went to the market. 2. She was reading a book right now. 3. They would start their journey tomorrow. Pause the video and see if you can get them right. Now, let's go over the answers. The answer for the first one is went. The answer for the second one is. The answer for the third one is will. To sum up, understanding tenses is crucial for indicating the timing of actions. Remember the differences between past, present, and future tenses, and practice using them correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!